number of hosts in one block, in one piece of network, 128 IP addresses are there. So immediately after, once you get this value, immediately make the block so that this block will help you. So 128, it means from 0 to 255, you have to divide two blocks. So it is 0 to 127 and 128 to 250. Get it?
Yeah.
Immediately make the block and understand what you are doing.
All good.
Done?
Yes.
Now step number 4. Question is how many hosts per subnet? So means in one subnet there are actually 128 hosts, but less by 2. Why less by 2? Because two IP addresses are always reserved. One for network and one for broadcast. So that is why we less two IP addresses every time. So total usable IP address is 126. This is step number 4. Write it down. Step number 4.
Yep.
Done step number 4. Hello.
Yeah.
Now step number 5. Step number 5 is what are the valid hosts? Valid host means the usable IP. See, 0 is not valid because it is a network address. It is not usable. 125 is the broadcast address. This is also not usable. Now remaining. So from 1 to 126. This is a usable IP, right?
Yes.
Comma, comma. We have another range also. 128 is a network address. 255 is a broadcast address. It is also not usable. So what is remaining? 129 to 254, right?
Yeah.
So write down this step number. What are the valid hosts? And write down this range.
Yeah. All good.
Hello?
Yeah.
Done?
Yes. Done.
Now step number 6 is if you follow this step, you can easily solve. Step number 6 is what are the subnet address of each subnet? It means what are the network address of each subnet? So first network address is 0, comma, second block network address is 128. Now write it down in your book.
What are the subnets of each subnet?
Yeah, subnet means what are the network address of each subnet. Subnet means network. Subnet means network. So what are the network address of each subnet? Means what are the network address of each network?
It should be 192.168.1.0 and then
0. Yeah. And another one is 192.168.1.128.
128. Okay, yeah, got it.
Done?
Yes.
Now last step is step number 7. What are the broadcast address of each subnet? So first subnet broadcast address is 127, comma, last is 255. So actually it is 192.168.1.127 and it is 192.168.1.255. Got it?
Yeah.
Write it down, step number 7. And I have a question for you because you have to solve. The more you solve, the more you will learn.
Yeah.
Done?
Yeah.
Now I have a question for you. The same thing is there. Network address become 26 now. Write down the question and solve by your own. I will not help you right now. You first solve and then I will help you. Slash 26. Write down this question. Question number 2. 192.168.1.10 slash 26 and take 10-minute time and solve this. And you can take help of this sum. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm here only. I'm on mute and I'm coming in 1 minute.
Yeah.
You start solving and follow the step. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now tell me. Okay. Wait. Tell me network address will be same, right? What will be the subnet mask?
255.255.255.192.
All right. This is correct. How many subnet?
Um, 4 subnets.
Very good. Because 2 bit here, so 2 power 2. This subnet is 4. Okay. How many hosts in one subnet?
48.
48.
Yeah.
Now 48 is wrong answer. See, here you have made the mistake. Total IP address is 256, right? So
Okay.
256 divided by number of subnet. So in this case, number of subnet is 4, right? So
Yeah.
divide by, if it is divided by 4, then what will be the answer? It will be
Um,
64.
64. Yeah.
60, yeah. So just correct your answer here. It will be 64 host per subnet. If this is
So
wrong, then all
just a
your
minute.
answer is wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
If this is
Um,
wrong, then all your answer is wrong.
yeah. So 56 means because of the class C address, the last 8 bits are 56, isn't the host part?
Yeah, 256 is the total IP address. I have told you, na. In C class subnetting, slash 24 is the default mask, right?
Yeah. Now,
You
yes,
just
24 is the default mask. Yeah.
default mask. It
Yeah.
means 8 bit in a host, right?
Yes.
8 bit in a host. Then how 8 bit is represent? 2 power 8.
2 power 8, 56. Okay, yeah,
So
got
2
it.
power is 256. Now, so that is. So now again solve because your answer is wrong. Because if this is wrong, then everything is wrong. So now let me explain this sum to wait. You just wait. You just watch this sum. 64. So we have to make a block of 64, right? So 0
Yeah,
to 63. 0 to 63 is 64.
64. Yeah.
Then 64. Then leave one blank. Then 128. Then leave one blank. Then 192. So from 192 to 255. Then again 191. And here 127. So this is the block. Okay.
Okay, yeah, got it.
Now how many hosts per subnet? Total 64, but less 2. So total is 62 hosts per subnet.
Yeah,
What are the valid hosts? So in between, let's say from 1 to 62, comma 65 to 126. So like this in between, right?
yeah,
What are the subnet address? 0, 64, 128 and 192. What are the broadcast address? The last one, 63, 127,
yeah,
191 and
yeah.
255. So you just do one thing. You just do one thing. Write it down this sum in your book and take the homework as /27. Just take the picture or a screenshot of this, because the more you solve, the more you understand.
Yeah.
Your background sound is coming. Very much sound is coming from your background, like shh, like this. So just take the screenshot of this or write it down in your book to understand, and take the homework as /27 is your homework, /27 /28 /29 and /30. This is the
Yeah.
sum you have to solve now as a homework, and remaining part we'll do tomorrow. Okay.